So, how should you start? Create infographics which provide some sort of knowledge and a message to community, having less amount of text and more amount of graphics. Okay, create infographics of your thoughts. Just think and create. The process of infographic creation, they are divided into three parts. First, input, second, synthesis, third, output. In input, data, research and observation from both quantitative and qualitative sources are gathered and digested. Inputs can also include trend and marketplace analysis as well as field studies. In synthesis, patterns are identified, insights emerged, and complex information is distilled into clear and actionable thoughts and frameworks. And in output, artifacts are created as a result of the synthesis process. The artifacts serve to effectively communicate insights plus ideas and help build consequences while informing solutions.